Hello everyone, and welcome back to another session with Vidus, and we're going to unbox this Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite, and this is going to be my drawing tablet for the Paintology app. So I will be doing an unboxing and a quick install guide. So here I have the unopened box. This has two security seals here and here, so you can check to see if the box hasn't been tampered. And we have this serial number here, the model, and a barcode here. What you're interested is in this serial number, and compare this to the serial number on your tablet inside so it matches. And we have the model here, SMP610. Okay, we're going to go ahead and unbox this Samsung S6 Lite. So this is what the box looks like opened, and you'll see a tab here which pulls out the actual tablet itself. Here wrapped in a nice cloth, not completely plastic, but a nice little cloth. And like I said, you have the serial number on the back, which we're going to check against the box to see if it matches. Let's look at the other stuff inside the box. We have the adapter, as you can see. This is a standard UK adapter, which is convenient for travel. It folds in like that, and then this particular one has a USB thing on this side as opposed to that side. That's quite nice, because then when you have it on this side, it tends to make the whole thing a bit too long, and if you're in a confined space, this might be too long. This one you could plug it in, and then you have the cable reaching underneath, so you have less width, as you can see. But then again, if the power cable is too low, then you have to contend with the cable underneath. So that's what we have here, but in most circumstances this is fine. We have the USB cable here, the standard, and this is a USB-C cable, as you can see from here, USB-C. Then we have a box here. I'm assuming this is the manual, yes, and we have a mobile pin here, like a mobile to extract the casing, like the microcard, SD card, or a SIM as it's used in the phone. So here we have this pen. This is quite interesting. This is a pen that doesn't need charging, so that's very handy. I've used a Samsung S6 Lite before, and I really like this pen because it has a nice feel to it. It's not metallic. I don't like metallic pens because it's a tendency to dry out very quickly. My fingers get very dry. This one is nice, even though it's a slim barrel. It has this nice beveled edge. You can see here, which is nice for resting it on this finger while I'm drawing. And I generally also hold the pen at this angle, and it's nice to have this flat surface there for me to work on, so it's pretty good. Let's bring back the tablet. So we have a strip here. We're going to take that off, and then it simply comes out. So there you have it, AKG. This is the sound company. They are behind the speakers, so you get some full surround sound speakers. So let's take a look at R52N8, R252N8. So it's a match. So I can be rest assured that there hasn't been any tampering of any kind. You never know. So there's a plastic sheet on this new tablet, and it's actually on the top, not on the actual screen. It's just at the top to protect the components here. But let's take a look on the, and I believe there's another plastic. Yep, I can feel it on the sides. So they're all going along the sides, so I'm taking that off. I like the ribbing around here, makes it look attractive. And then we will be turning this on. So here, as you can see, I have about 50-60% power, and I will go through the guide here. So it's showing me in landscape mode, so all you need to do is portrait. It's showing me in portrait mode, so just pick it up and flip it like that, so it's now in landscape mode. So UK, it's telling me. Add some info to get started. It's asking me to make sure that I select all these end user agreement. End user license, sending diagnostic data, that's optional. So that, yeah, I'm not very privy to that, so I won't do that. Recent marketing information, nope. So I'd like to keep it private. This is my Wi-Fi network here. So I'm going to go ahead. So I'm connected, as you can see, on my Wi-Fi, on my local Wi-Fi. Click next. Checking for updates. So since you've given the access to your internet connection, it's going to check for updates to see if it needs any security patch and any updates to the operating system, Android operating system, which is pretty normal. Copy app data. Now this is going to be primarily my drawing tablet, and I have no reason to use it. I have other tablets like the Huawei M5 Lite and Huawei MediaPad, and I'm fine with using this just for drawing. Don't copy. Click on that. Okay, it's asking me to log in with the Google account. Naturally, that's a must if you want to use the Play Store and other features of Google. A majority of us have Gmail as well, and that will probably be already configured. Okay, we publish Google Terms and Services. So I'm going to add this account because I would like to keep my accounts in sync with the tablets and phone. Google Assistant is a voice assistant. So it's becoming more and more common with the Google Android devices. And just the other day I purchased the Google Nest Hub. And that's going to be useful. I mean, nowadays, you can have bedside clock, but the Echo Show and then the Google Hub is way much better. And I'll probably do a review of that. And it's only $40-50 or pounds in my case. See what's trending with Google Assistant. Yeah, so it's asking that you can ask for a joke and ask for the weather. Typically standard items that people may ask on the voice assisted. So let's go to next. Google Services. So back up to Google Drive. I would recommend that if you take a lot of pictures and if you're doing a lot of pictures on this particular device. You don't want to lose this device, so you'll have it always on backup. Use location. Yes, leave that on. Allow scanning. Allow apps and services to scan for Wi-Fi networks nearby. Yeah, why not? Because, I may take this outside. Send usage data and diagnostic. This is one area I'm not very fond of. I don't like them to see what I'm doing, so go ahead, accept. Protect your tablet. Nope, I don't need skip. Skip anyway. So it's just adding the finishing touches. Once you've finished the quick installation, you should end up with this screen here, and you're ready to go. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'm not affiliated with Samsung or any other company. This is entirely my opinion, so please support me in any way you can. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe so I can continue to bring you these valuable reviews that will be useful to you. Thank you. Until again, bye bye.